The third part of this section is how to edit Slide Master. Slide Master determines the background. Click Design, Edit Slide Master. Master is divided into Office Theme Master and other slide layout. Change the Theme Master, and all pages will change. Now we set the background color of the master board to blue. And all slides to blue. Now we can insert the picture as a logo. It's obvious that all pages appear to have logo. Click Slide Master, Close, and add a new slide. We can have the same slide, the same background color, and the same logo as the master. Now we have learned how to adjust the size of slides. Learn the shortcut keys and how to edit Slide Master. Let's move on to the next section, How to Typesetting. Thank you.